Hi friends, for today's activity, we are going to be making a seed mosaic. A mosaic uses different sizes put together to make one piece of art. So for ours, we are going to use different sizes and colors of seeds. On the Junior Master Gardener's website, you can find the seed sorting mat, which helps you be able to categorize your seeds by shape or by color. You can also just use a white piece of paper and do this on your own. You will need glue. Clear glue is the best. A recycled lid, and then a couple varieties of seeds. We have here some pumpkin seeds and some cowpeas. So the first step is to use your seed sorting mat and to sort your seeds, especially if they're come mixed all together, by either shape, size, or color. Then what you will do is you will start in the center of your mosaic and you will put glue. And you will start by placing a seed in the glue. And then take a different type of seed and go around in a circle and try to fill as much of the space as you can as you go around. Once you have that first layer done, you'll need to put some more glue. And then alternate back to a different type of seed. So what you want to do is you want to continue to do this with your different seeds. So you'll start in the center, go one around, go around with another kind, and continue until your entire tray is filled. So once your seed mosaic is dry, you can either just set it somewhere or you could punch a hole and hang it up by your window. I really like using the clear lids because it still allows some of the sunlight through. And you can use any kind of seeds that you would like. Thanks for joining me today. I hope that you get to try this activity at home. If you do, have your parents take a photo and tag us in either Facebook or Instagram. Thank you.